Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to place plants and flowers in a mass form so that you don't waste your time placing them one by one. There are several ways I can place my grass. If, for instance, I want to place them one after the other, I've already selected my plants and nature. In this case, I want to place plants, so I select plant here, and this is the particular one I want to place for the purpose of this tutorial, and I select it and it's already selected. Make sure this one is already selected. Place. Okay, you can see it is active now. So if I place it here now, you see that this is just single plant. What if I want to line it up somewhere here? In that case, to make it faster for me, what I'll do is to select this particular one, mass placement. I select mass placement, and I am going to start from somewhere and make it linear. You can see where I am going to place it, and I'll drop it somewhere here, and here I can increase the number. Here, you can see, and when I'm pleased with what I have, I finish it here. I confirm and finish it. You can see this is faster than trying to place them one after the other. If you have a place that is linear and you want to place them in mass, that is what you do. Okay, and I hope this video helps you. See you in the next video. Bye.